All right, so my first learning statement that I have for you is right here. And it says, I'm learning that blogs can be powerful tools to enhance students' ability for thinking and understanding concepts, as well as exploring real-world issues. And this learning statement had the most to do with my field study this term, which was doing blogging with my class of 7 gifted students that I work with once a week. And so the field study went great. We got the students all signed up on Google accounts, and they created their blogs using Blogger. And it was a passion-based project. The students, we spent some time looking at what their area of passion would be, and then they just went to town on it. So I started by creating a blog to go with that. And just bring it up right here. And so this was the blog that I had created, and this is how I would give my information to them. And we talked about a lot of the different tools that they could use. We talked about issues about online digital tools, and we had some guest speakers come in to talk about some of the advantages of using Google and Google applications. And then the students created their individual blogs. So let's take a look at Tanner's blog. Is about football, and that's his passion. And you can see the different things he's added that he's blogged about. We went over all these things in class. Kyle's blog is based on soccer, and he's tracking the FIFA World Cup. And then there is Noah, who's a really brilliant kid and was looking at science and art as his passion, and how those two things intersect. And so there were lots of great work done, and what I learned from it was that my goal overall was to facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity. That was coming from the ISTE standards there. And I set the goal to move from the beginning to the proficient stage. And in most of the areas I was able to do that. Helping them apply some critical thinking through some other activities that we did in class. And just being able to model those things for the students, doing the blog with them, and being involved in the comments, and motivating them that way. It was an interesting thing. I had the students evaluate using Google Docs. I sent them a document, and they all added their part to it. Part of it was I asked them to get together with a partner, and I had discovered that what we had taught really sunk in with them when one of the two kids were working across from each other, and they wanted to get together. And Torrin said to Kyle, he's like, well, come over here. And Kyle said, well, why don't you just email me what you wrote, and then I'll email it back to you. So that was kind of a neat learning there that had taken place. Anyway, just being able to interact with the kids online and have them in that space was a good learning tool, a good learning experience, and I hope to continue that again.